This lighting is not flattering.
Do you want to put that lamp on? That's better.
No, it's not.
Do we need to fill?
I guess.
Ready?
I have a few plants to water as well. Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan dining room office.
We get to eat ice cream today.
Oh my god, it works so hard.
We've got the new So Delicious oat milk ice cream here. We just found out that our store has it yesterday, so
how exciting is that?
Of course I went and got some today so that we could try it for you guys. So that we're taking that hard job on for ourselves to let you know what it's all about.
I actually know someone who's like an ice cream
developer, right?
Yeah. So her job is actually like taste testing ice cream and stuff. That's so cool.
She must hate it. She must absolutely want to puke at the end of the day when somebody says, hey, want to go out for a cone?
I don't know. But anyway, this is very exciting. We've seen that oat milk has been getting bigger and bigger, so it was only a matter of time before they started having oat milk ice cream as well. Right.
I remember the first time I had non-dairy ice cream, I was probably about 17 years old, which was quite a few years ago, 30-something years ago. And the only brand they had was Tofutti. Because I
didn't even know Tofutti was that old.
Oh, yeah. I was lactose intolerant and I couldn't eat regular ice cream, so we bought some of that. Then they came out with like the lactate pills and everything, which I tried, didn't love, so I would kind of avoid
I remember
dairy
you
a lot.
eating ice cream though. You must have had a rough go of it.
It was rough.
Oh no! Okay.
I didn't eat a lot of it. On an empty stomach, it was way worse than on a full stomach, but that's a whole nother thing. We're vegan now. We don't have to worry about that. So they've come out in the past, I would say 4 or 5 years with different non-dairy ones. Ben & Jerry's, I believe, was one of the first ones to come out with it. So Delicious. Then there's the really expensive, like, niche brands like Nadamu, and, you know, I don't even know if we can get that here.
What's that one that we get at Trader Joe's? The Soy Dreamy?
It's Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's brand, yeah. They have, like, a chocolate or vanilla one, and then they have, like, a cherry chocolate one.
That one is so good.
It's so delicious. That one is soy. I can handle soy. I cannot handle tree nuts, so that cut down the field of...
You can't have any of the almond milk ones anymore.
Or the cashew.
Well, yeah.
So Delicious is a great brand because now they have oat milk. They have an almond one. They have a coconut one, and I believe they also have a cashew one. So there's a little bit more variety in there depending on what you can and can't have, or what you like and don't like. So I'm very excited to try this oat milk one because I've been pretty much limited to Haagen-Dazs.
But that being said, Haagen-Dazs is delicious.
Haagen-Dazs is delicious, but I'm not thrilled by the ingredients in Haagen-Dazs. It has corn syrup in it and not great ingredients. It has a lot of sugar in it.
Well, we can talk about all that.
Yeah.
But let's like get to tasting here.
Okay. So far, So Delicious, which by the way used to be Soy Delicious, and I guess they changed their brand to really represent more product line. So we have a caramel apple crumble. Sorry, we're boring you.
I'm not bored. I'm just tired.
And this one is, I'm very excited for this one. Peanut butter with raspberry.
Whoa!
Raspberry.
That sounds like a delicious sandwich.
Yeah.
But ice cream.
Which one do you want to start with? You want
Let's
to start
with
the
this
apple?
because I want that to be like the grand finale.
Yeah. All right. So
but I feel like this is gonna be good too.
It's all good, baby.
Ooh. I love the look of a fresh ice cream container.
You know what you have to do.
Yeah, this is like a taste test and an unboxing all in one.
Whoa.
It's
good?
Yeah. The toughest thing about this, it's only like 4:30 right now, and dessert is hours away.
Here you go.
So we're just tasting right now.
Wow, that has such a nice caramel aftertaste to it.
Oh, it's very smooth out of the container.
Yes, it is.
Okay. I got a nice little swirl of caramel there.
This looks very, very
Ooh.
creamy.
It smells really good. Oh my god!
Whoa, I can taste little pieces of apple.
That caramel's so good.
The caramel really comes through. That
The whole it's very
that toasted
creamy.
caramel flavor really comes through.
Very creamy.
Wow.
Oh, I got a nice little piece of apple.
Mm-hmm.
That is phenomenal.
So delicious. No pun intended.
I need to stop. Dessert is later. That is
Oh, look at that.
incredible.
What's that?
Though. Show everybody.
That's like a
Apple chunk?
No, I think it might be
Like a crumble?
The crumble part.
I didn't realize it was crumble.
Dig out a crumble part.
I don't know where I can find one.
Mmm.
Well, I'll find a crumble later. Oh wait,
That's
I got
like
one. I got
crumb
one.
cake.
I got a crumble. Okay, here we go.
Oh my god, that's like crumb cake. That is delicious. That is absolutely delicious.
Wow. That's really nice.
I'm not the biggest fan of like apple ice cream, but that is really delicious.
So this one is 230 calories per serving, and a serving size is 2/3 of a cup.
Right.
That's pretty good.
That's nice because I noticed here on the Haagen-Dazs container that the serving size is half a cup. So that's much less, and the calories are 290 calories.
Oh my goodness.
So it's more calories and less serving size on the Haagen-Dazs.
Yeah, this is our favorite Haagen-Dazs flavor, by the way. It's
Yes,
the I don't know if
peanut
we
butter
mentioned
chocolate fudge. And
So
like we
good.
said, it's soy-based. And the fat is the same. This, well, actually, this one only has 10 grams of fat. The Haagen-Dazs has 14.
But this one, the So Delicious, has more sugar. This flavor.
Right.
This one has 25 grams.
And this one has 22.
Yeah.
And 4 grams of protein. What is this one? This one only has 1 gram of protein. Yeah.
I mean, I'm not really looking
eating
for
this
protein,
for the protein.
in my ice cream.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
And this is made by Dryers, and I guess that's made by So Delicious.
Okay.
Dryers, aka Briars. Like, you know, it's different part of the country, different names for it. Whoa, that's somebody's book bag that fell over.
Okay, so, yeah, the caramel apple crumble, phenomenal. Flavor,
All right.
yes.
So now we're busting into the peanut butter with raspberry.
Okay.
Or
Now-
raspberry.
This one, ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone look at this. That is gorgeous.
It smells amazing. You can smell the raspberry
Oh,
right
yeah.
when you open the container.
very
Let's
nice.
see, preliminary taste. Mmm.
So this
Yeah.
one, the serving size is also 2/3 of a cup. A little bit more calories. It's 250.
The same amount of fat,
But it's
14 grams.
lower in sugars. It's only 20 grams of sugar.
Yeah. And 3 grams of protein. So a little bit more from the peanut butter, I'm supposing.
Okay.
All right. Have a dig.
I want
And by
some
the way,
raspberry.
these were $4.99 each.
That's a little hefty.
It's a little hefty price. I had a $1.25 coupon on 3. So that helped out a little bit. Brought it down to like $4.50 range. The Haagen-Dazs at our store is always on sale for $2.88. So that makes it a very attractive buy. But this is just so much better than the Haagen-Dazs.
This is delicious.
Mmm.
This is.
Did you get the swirl of peanut butter
Oh,
in
I
there?
did. This is a peanut butter and raspberry jam sandwich with ice
Yeah.
cream.
You know
So good.
what is surprising to me? The raspberry part doesn't taste too sweet.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like it's not too
It's not
sugary.
overwhelming.
Yeah.
I remember this birthday cake ice cream that we used to get when we were growing up, and I would eat some of it and I wanted to die. I felt like I was gonna throw up, and it was just too sweet. So
Ooh, that's really nice.
yeah, I couldn't eat it, and when things are too sweet like that, I'm just like, I don't really want it. But this is phenomenal.
What a great flavor. I never would have put together raspberry and peanut butter.
That's really good. Imagine just like a hint of chocolate sauce.
Mmm.
Yes.
Ooh, that's nice.
Again.
That reminds me of that raspberry sorbet that
Yeah.
we would get.
This is super duper creamy.
Mmm.
Wasn't the raspberry sorbet by Haagen-Dazs?
Yeah.
That is another one of my favorite flavors by them. It's so good. But anyway,
But that one has corn syrup.
This is delicious.
It's so delicious. I can't stop.
I think the oat milk makes it
Creamy.
creamier.
Mm-hmm.
That's really, really nice. I'm like really, really showing some strength here by like holding back because it is so good.
Which out of the two, I mean, they're both amazing, but which out of the two would you pick, like, if you could only get one at the store?
That caramel
That's tough.
apple
The
really
caramel-
surprised me.
Me too.
But at the
Me
same
too.
time, I am a peanut butter girl through and through, so I'm gonna have to go peanut butter and raspberry.
I'm gonna have to agree with that.
But-
only for the reason that peanut butter is so near and dear to my heart. But the crumble in
I
the
was
apple,
not expecting it to be that good.
wow. And the little pieces of apple, I'm just floored.
It was really good.
When I saw that one was caramel apple, I was like, ugh, do we have to get that one? But
But now you're like, oh, what?
Yeah.
Really, really tasty.
I hope you guys get a chance to try these because they're very, very good. And I feel like they're not healthy.
No.
But I feel like at least they're using organic sugar, and you know, the serving size is a little bit more generous. They're not like trying to fake you out or anything. I noticed on this one, it has how much for the whole container. So like if you're having a rough
no
time.
judgment. No judgment.
But Haagen-Dazs, they're a little ambiguous with their, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
They don't say like, hey, if you're on a bender and you eat
Well,
this
no,
whole
but
thing.
they say that there's like 2.5
There's
servings
3.5
sorry,
servings.
3.5 servings per container. So you could do the math.
There's 3.5 servings in here, but there's only 3 in here. I'd rather have more. More! Give us more! So,
Anyway,
we need more.
fantastic.
Yeah. I hope you guys try it.
Yeah. Let us know what your favorite dairy-free ice creams are. I mean, obviously I'm a big fan of nice cream as well, but sometimes
Of
you just
course.
want like something a little naughty, right?
Or if you're having people over, it's kind of difficult to make a giant trough of nice cream.
True.
It's nicer to just open the freezer and say, hey, what flavor do you want? You don't want to work too hard when you're entertaining. So nice cream has its place,
Oh, of course.
you know, but this is also nice for a holiday, or you got more than just your immediate family that you want to, you know.
Or you just want it. Right? All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. And
Let
until
us know
then,
if there's anything else you want us to review. Now, until next time,
much love.